Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Today I've got another fun and super simple Dollar Tree DIY for us. We're going to be making a pair of faux mirror icy glam candle holders. And so what you're going to need some of these icy gemstones, and I picked these up at EFavormart.com. EFavormart is an online retailer of event supplies, party supplies, centerpiece decor, and so much more. And they reached out to me and I have partnered with them. They have provided me with a custom coupon code, a cozy Casita, just like the channel name, all one word, and that will save you 15% on your orders with them. I'll also have a custom affiliate link, and I'll leave all of that information in the description box below for you guys to check that out. But I also have here from EFavormart.com some regular diamond wrap and some floral diamond wrap, both from EFavormart. From Dollar Tree, you're going to need 2 of these rectangular candle holders. You're going to need some silver napkin rings. They come in a pack of 8, I think, at Dollar Tree. And then you're going to need a couple of these silver candy dishes. They come in a pack of 4 at Dollar Tree. From Walmart, I have some peel and stick diamond gemstones here. You can find these on a half sheet size at Dollar Tree. I'm going to be using hot glue for this project. If you'd like to make it permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will work. These are the items that we need in order to get the project completed, so let's get started. Hey you guys, now aren't these candle holders absolutely gorgeous? And they were so easy to make. I'm going to go ahead and start playing around and decorating with them. Well, there you have it guys, another simple and beautiful glam DIY. I hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam videos and DIYs, please be sure to share these videos with your friends. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.